Hey guys, it's Rusty Glove Box here, and we need a project for this weekend, and I tell you what we're going to do. We're going to tear down and sand the antique post drill. So anyway, let's get after it. Well, it's going to be two-tone. This is going to be the base color, and this is going to be my secondary color. Oh, you couldn't see what color that was? Well, it's going to be a surprise. Well, hey guys, we got that thing all prepped and ready to go for paint now. So all I got to do is just wait for a good sunshiny day. Doesn't have to be the best day, but just a good sunshiny day. Can't be like this weekend where it's raining Saturday and Sunday. But anyway, we're ready to go. Got everything prepped for paint. So anyway, this is Rusty Glove Box. Thanks for watching, and I'm out of here.